Hello everyone, welcome to my dollhouse. I'm going to be working on my dollhouse today, and you guys know I've got my dollhouse back and I'll be moving back in soon. But before I move in, I want to do some repairs. I got to fix this front door. These little hinges did not work out. I bought these from Hobby Lobby, and I tried to put the little nails in there and it's just not working out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to permanently glue this door, so I will not be opening this door. I bought this little doorknob from Hobby Lobby too. It's so cute. So it'll just be glued, but I need a front door, and it doesn't matter to me if it opens or not. I think it'll be fine, just sealed shut. So I went to the store. So I need to fix that first, and then I got the front porch. I'll show you something on the front porch, which I found later after I did my last video that need to be fixed. So, but first things first, let me tell you about this glue. I needed some wood glue. So I went looking for wood glue, and I went to one store and I found a small bottle, and I'm talking about little bottle of glue, and it was $16.99. I went, do what? This is just glue, people. So I thought, no way am I going to pay that. So I got on Amazon and I found this kind of glue. It's a big bottle. It was like $6. Never used this type before, Tight Bond, but it's wood glue, and it says it's for professional strength. So hey, if it's that strong, it should be fine for my front door and my porch on my dollhouse. So that's what I'm going to be using, is this glue right here, and I'm just going. I've got it taped right now, and I'm going to leave it taped, and I think I'm going to glue it from the other side, from the outside. That's what I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to be turning my dollhouse around. So I'm going to remove this wall right here so it doesn't fall when I turn it around. And the front porch needs to be fixed too, which I'll show you in a minute. I want to make sure this is, I'm using some clear packing tape to kind of, well, I want these little things to be glued down too, but let me see if I can glue these down and then put the tape back. Well, that door does not fit just right, does it? That's one thing about these dollhouses. If you paint it, and then you get paint right here, which I've got paint right here. The least little bit of paint can keep this from not fitting right. Or just the least little bit of the wood being off a little bit will cause a problem. How am I going to do this? Hold on, I'm going to go look and see if I can find some, first of all, I need to go find this tape, some more tape, because I'm going to need some more, because I'm fixing to rip this off. I'll be right back. Okay, I went and got some Scotch tape, something a little bit smaller. Let's see if I get this door out of here. Whoa. Can't we pull this off? Yeah, see, I've got glue up here at the top. Not glue, paint. Blob of paint. I did a crummy job on the door. Let me see if I can get it. Back in there. Oops. I don't know, guys. Let me flip this house around and see how it looks from the front. Okay, it looks okay from the front. Kind of. I do have a few gaps, but that's okay. I can hang a little reef right there. You won't even notice it. All right, well, I'm going to turn it back around and glue it from the inside instead of the outside. I just wanted to make sure that looked okay from the front before I started gluing. Okay, let's glue this door. This just pops up, it looks like. And I've got me a Q-tip here, and I'm just going to put a little bit on here. I've got me a wet paper towel too, because you need to wipe off any extra glue. Oops. Ooh, it's not real thick. Let's see here. Oh, I've already dropped a piece. My goodness. I dropped some on the floor. I got it up really quick. Let me glue this. I'll glue the hinges. Need a little bit more glue. Let me just squirt some glue on this paper towel so I can just dab it. There, that'll work. Okay, then I'm going to put some on the side here. This dollhouse is so much fun, I'm telling you. I remember when I made it, I kept it on a table upstairs. I had a game room in my other house, and it was up there all laid out, so I could just go up there and work on a few pieces at a time. I painted it there, glued it there. I completely built it upstairs off of a little table. Okay, then I want to put some glue on the top here. You know, I just noticed I didn't even paint this side of the door. Oh, Lorene. Oh, well, too late. I've already gotten rid of my paint. And I'm not going to go get some more paint. It was actually paint that, real paint that I bought. Exterior paint from Home Depot. And I got rid of it when we moved. So, anyway, I'm putting glue all around this door. Oh, well, once it's closed, you won't see it. Okay, let me put a little bit on the bottom here. Okay. Alrighty. Now this glue says, well, I'm going to have to get some on my hand unless I hold it by the doorknob. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out how to, well, doesn't matter. I'm going to get it on my hands. That's okay. I got wet paper towels sitting here. And also they say you need to clamp it or keep it in its place for at least 30 minutes for this glue to dry. Oops. Okay, that's about as good as it's going to get, people. Let me just put some, wipe my hands a little bit on this paper towel. I'm just going to use some little pieces of Scotch tape. and put it on here to hold it till it dries. That's already popped off. Those little hinges are just not going to work. Oh, well, they look cute on, so I'll just leave them be. Just don't want the door to fall off. I want it to stay put. Okay, I'm going to turn this house around to see if it looks okay from the front. Because if it looks bad from the front, I'm not going to be happy with that. Okay, it looks okay. That'll work. I can still see creases right here. I wonder if I should put some glue there. I think I will. Let me get some glue. Oh, another Q-tip I've got here. I'm just gonna kind of glue it. You know, I don't even know if this dries clear or not. I hope it does. It looks like it is. Because once I put it on, it's not that dark. It's like a yellow coming out of the bottle. The joys of working on your dollhouse, I tell you. Huh. Everything is so, so little, but so, so cute. All right, I think that's gonna work. Now I want to show y'all something. I didn't realize this. Both of these that attach the front porch. I mean the top of the front porch. I noticed this was kind of crooked when I got it back home, back to my house. And the reason I noticed it crooked because it's in a different, it's higher up on my chest of drawer, and I was seeing it from a different angle. And I thought, this looks like it's not quite right. Well, I noticed these had come loose. And I thought, oh no, did this move a little bit? Because these had come loose, because this was the support for the front here. These two little poles. So I need to glue those. I can't do much about this up here. And you really can't notice it. I mean, unless you have a different angle maybe. Let me see. No, you really can't notice it that much, but it's off just a little bit. So I'm not sure if it is because of those two little poles coming undone or what, but I'm sure it didn't help. So I'm going to glue those back. Well, I've got my glue out. I'm going to go ahead and glue those down. And get that all fixed up. Okay. Got to be real careful because you can't really get the glue. Got to move it just a little bit that away, then bring it back. Let's see if that'll work. And do it with the other side. Bring it back a little bit. Push it back a little bit. Bring it forward a little bit. Oh, that's a tight fit. Oops. Okay, hopefully that glues that down. I'm going to wipe some of this off just in case it doesn't dry clear. Let me get this off too. This is running down the door. Alrighty, I'm gonna turn this house back around and see if the other side looks okay, and then I'll be finished with this. I'm just glad those were the only two things I needed to worry about, the door and the porch. Everything else held up pretty good. Okay, well, that hinge is definitely on backwards. I just figured that out. That's probably why it didn't work. If any of y'all go get these hinges, make sure you know how to do them. Maybe that's my problem. I put one on backwards. But I can't take them back off now. It's going to have to be like that. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to let that set. They said let it dry at least for 30 minutes. So I'm going to let that set. And if it's good to go, I'm going to start moving in. And when I start moving in, I'll do another video and you guys can move in with me. Oh, I wanted to tell you, I removed that wall, right? Look how nice and big it is on the bottom floor. I like that. I kind of like that. I'm not sure if I want to keep it this way or not. And of course, there's the top floor. It's all open. So anyway. Okay, well, thanks for joining me today as I work on my dollhouse. And I will see you guys soon when I go to move in. Y'all have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.